Welcome to the U-Lover. Today I'm showing you this services app built with Jetpack Compose. Let's take a quick look.
FixIt is a home services app built with Jetpack Compose, and the UI moves quickly from finding a service to choosing a home size and seeing the price change. You start on a clean home screen with service categories, featured services, and a bold promo banner. Tap Deep House Cleaning, and the layout opens into a large service image, a compact summary card, what's included, and the size selector. Bookings keeps upcoming and completed jobs easy to scan, while Profile carries the same blue and orange visual language. Next, I'll show you the real Compose code behind that live price interaction. Inside Android Studio, the app uses local mock data for the services, professionals, bookings, and profile content, so there's no backend involved in this demo. Home also keeps its UI state in a view model with state flow, which gives the Compose screen a clean state source without turning this into an architecture lecture. The design itself is pretty restrained. Soft blue-gray surfaces, strong blue for trust and navigation, orange for the main conversion actions, rounded cards, and large service photography. I used anti-gravity with Claude Sonnet 5 to speed up parts of the implementation, but the interesting part here is still the Compose UI and the code behind it. Let's look at one small interaction from the Service Details screen. When I tap Small, Medium, or Large, the selected card changes and the total price updates immediately. In the Compose code, the selected home size is stored as state. The current selection points to the matching size option, which contains a price multiplier. The total price is then calculated from the service base price and that multiplier. So the UI event only changes the selected index. Compose recomposes the screen, the derived price is calculated again, and the bottom price updates automatically. Back in the emulator, switching between the three sizes gives us instant visual feedback without any extra screen or complicated flow. Here's the finished result again. Home, the service details flow, the live size and price interaction, bookings, and profile, all staying consistent with the same visual system. Members can get the complete Android Studio source, assets, and editable design files. AI prompts and project documentation are included as bonuses. Which screen do you like most? Home, bookings, or service details? The script does not claim a real backend, does not present AI as the main subject, does not advertise unsupported interactions as complete features, and keeps the only tutorial focused on the verified home size selection to derived price update interaction.